Under the lights at Apple Valley Bowl, gather every week. Italian American pride left their spills, our favorite place to meet. Roll the ball down the lane, watch it glide like a dream. Not another gutter ball, we're the best in this team. Set up, aim, and roll. Take a breath, clear the mind. Hit the pins just right. Leave the troubles behind. The thrill of a strike, we cheer loud and proud. The agony of a gutter ball can crawl, try to crowd. Challenge of a split, which pin should I hit? Should I spin the ball? Should I curve it just a bit? Blame it on the oil, blame it on the shoes, blame it on the sticky lanes, they can give you the blues. Got 9 pins down, just one standing tall. You can feel the tension rise as we watch it all. Try for a spare, deep breath, steady my hand. Oops, another gutter ball. Ain't this just grand? We all come together from across this state with our Italian American roots. We think it's just great. Cool drinks and snacks and laughter in our eyes. Every strike lets us shine like the stars in the sky. The thrill of a strike, we cheer loud and proud. The agony of the gutter ball can draw quite a crowd. The challenge of a split, which pin should I hit? Should I spin the ball? Should I curve it just a bit? Blame it on the oil, blame it on the shoes, blame it on the sticky lanes, they can give you the blues. Having fun, it's about skill and grit. Involving luck, we roll the ball and we never quit. Hope and pray, maybe today's the day. Throw a perfect game, let the worries drift away. So raise a glass to the strikers, to the lanes that we adore. With our Italian hearts, we'll come back for more. Roll the ball down the lane, let's make this memory stay. Perhaps we'll all get a few strikes today.